Okay, good evening all. Good evening, Jaffa, Desha, Prashant, Anjali, Daria.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, we were going with integration in the last class. So let's get continued with that. So I asked you to solve your exercise. Worksheet sums. Have you solved, guys? Have you or not?
So few
Sorry?
questions, sir.
Please do solve. They are given to you to solve, beta. You have to solve all the questions. Okay, next question. Anjali, have you started solving matrices and determinants question?
Sir, I started with the matrices question, not determinants.
Okay. Please do solve it and ask the doubts if at all you have anything. So
Yes, sir.
very important topics they are. You have to solve. You don't have other option. In 12th standard, you have to work hard. Every one of you. Okay, solve this question. Option A. Option A. Tan x minus cot x minus 3x plus c. Option B. Tan x plus cot x minus 3x plus c. Option C. Tan x plus cot x plus 3x plus c. Option D. Minus tan x plus cot x minus 3x plus c. Solve this question quickly. What is the idea, guys? Okay. So very simple question, guys. Look at this here. Let me solve this. First of all, can I write this as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube divided by sin square x into cos square x dx integral. Dhairya, any approach, any idea you got, Dhairya? Mohammad, Jafar, Prashant, have you got any idea here? कोई आइडिया बता सकते हो यहाँ पे? Here a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula. So a cube plus b cube formula is what? A square. Sorry, a plus b into a square. A square मतलब sin square whole square. A square plus b square minus ab. Divided by sin square x into cos square x dx in fact. Okay, so it becomes what? 1. This becomes 1 actually. Even you write 1, don't write 1, doesn't make a sense. So what I do here is yeah, we'll split it. So 1 as it is. So sin to the power of 4x divided by sin square x into cos square x plus cos to the power of 4x divided by sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x into cos square x divided by dx. So in fact dx everywhere you have to write whole, correct? Now look at this, cancel this. So sin square will get cancelled, cos square will get cancelled, sin square, cos square. So it becomes what? Tan square x here, dx is for everyone. So my plus cot square x dx minus integral 1 dx. So integral of tan square x is what? Secant square x minus 1 plus cot square x can be written as what? Cosec square x minus 1 dx minus 1 dx as it is. So integral of secant square x is what? Tan x minus integral of 1x is 1 into dx is what? X. Integral of cosec square x is what? Minus cot x minus cot x minus x, again minus x plus c. Next, so what do you get now? So tan x minus cot x minus 3x plus c. This is what the answer. Tan x minus cot x. Option A is correct. Any doubt, people? Children, any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So basically we have a formula actually. Integral of secant square x is tan x. Again integral of 1x is integral of 1 dx is x. Integral of cosec square is cos x, cot x. 1x is x. 1 is integral of 1 dx is x again. So minus x it becomes minus 3x. Cot x and tan x I wrote as it is. Okay. So I think I gave one question in the last class. How many of you did that? Guys, did I give this question or not? I mean, I gave one question. Whether you solved or not, I do not know. Let me write that question again. Guys, look at this here. Integral of dx divided by cos cube x into 2 sin 2x is equal to tan x to the power of a plus c into tan x to the power of b plus k. Where k is a constant of integration, then a plus b plus c is what? This was the question. Option A was 21 by 5. Option B was 16 by 5. Option C was 7 by 10. Option D was 27 by 10. All right. So I just gave you this question yesterday. How many of you solved this? Have you solved, guys? If you have solved, tell me yes, sir, we have solved. But you can't be, keep quiet in the class, guys. You can't be kept quiet in the class. You have to talk. Whether you finished this or not. Dhairya, have you solved this? No. Why? May I know? At least, have you tried at least? At least have you tried? कोई problem नहीं है. I'm not going to tell anything. Whether you have tried or not.
No, sir, I forgot.
Please don't do that. Prashant, what about you? Here, guys, look at this here. 4 sin x cos x given to you. I'm multiplying with cos square x and dividing with cos square x. Multiply and divide with cos square x. So if you check this properly, what I'm going to get now? 1 cos will get cancelled. What are we going to left with? That root 4 becomes as 2 outside. If I take that, so here 1 sin 1 cos I left with. So that becomes what? Root tan. And here square root of cos x. Square root of cos square x is what? Cos x. Isn't it? Isn't it, guys? Understood or not? Now,
Yes, sir.
integral of dx divided by here cos cube x into cos x becomes what? Cos to the power of 4 into 2 times of tan x. Correct? So, and guys, if I integrate this function, that must be equal to this one. This type of function I have to get on right hand side. So that if I compare both sides, I'll get ABC values and let's find out the answer. So 1 by 2 outside. So constant, so 1 by 2 outside. So integral. Now 1 by, beta look at this here, 1 by cos to the power of 4 x can be written as secant to the power of 4x divided by root tan x dx. Correct? So 1 by 4 secant square x into secant square x. Can I write like this? Yes. Secant square x can be written as what? 1 plus tan square x. Dx. Okay. Next, what can I write here? The denominator part I'm going to write as it is. Right? Now, can I go with the substitution method? Put tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. So differentiation of tan x is secant square x. And differentiation of t is what? dt by dx. So this dx I'm shifting right left hand side, it becomes like that. Okay. So now look at this. That is what I need here. So secant square dx can be replaced as what? T. Secant square dx can be replaced as dt. Okay. So let us consider this as a 1. Let us consider star equation. Substituting star in 1. What you are going to get now? Half of secant square dx is what? dt plus 1 plus t square divided by, sorry. First of all, you write 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square into dt divided by root t. Okay. So 1 by 2 integral 1 by root t can be written as t to the power of minus 1 by 2. T square into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt. Correct? So shifting that, guys, 1 by, guys, here 1 by root t and t square by root t, like that I'm writing. Okay, 1 by 2 integral of root t is what now? T to the power of half. So 2 minus half, how much? 3 by 2, right? So integral of t to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dt plus integral of t to the power of 3 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 times of t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1, how much? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1, how much? So 2.5. So 5 by 2. T to the power of 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 as per the formula plus c. Okay, I am just writing now 2 times of root t plus 2 by 5 times of t to the power of 5 by 2 plus c. So what was my t answer now? 2 into tan x. So tan t here, tan x only, tan x plus 2 by 5 times of 2 by 5 times of what? Tan x guys, if you observe this properly, look at this here. I can take these two common, these two I can cancel with this. Okay, I can take common and cancel it. So what you left with now? I just comparing with what? This can be written as, this can be equated as what? Tan x. Let me write. B is asking for a plus b plus c is what, right? Okay, guys. So now compare here. So tan x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 into tan x to the power of 5 by 2 plus c here. Both are, this is a k and this is a k, right? This k is what? Integration constant. So both are constants actually. Okay, so both are constants, so you can cancel both. So compare this, compare on both sides. C into tan x to the power of b. Now comparing on both sides, what is a value? A value is 1 by 2, c value is 1 by 5, b value is 5 by 2. So he is asking what? Therefore, a plus b plus c is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5. What is LCM now? LCM is what? 10. So 5 plus 5 is 25 plus 2. So 20, how much? 32 by 10. 16 by 5 is the answer. 16 by 5 is the answer. 16 by 5 where it is? Option B is correct. So this is how the questions of integration would be. You should know each and every basic. What is substitution method? What is that method? This method, every method you must know, guys. Okay. So if you do not know that, it will be quite difficult for you. Okay. Please revise it. Okay. Next, integral of sin x divided by sin of x minus alpha into dx is equal to ax plus b times of log of sin of x minus alpha plus c. Okay. Next, then the value of a comma b is what? Then the Okay, so this is what the question is given to you. Okay, guys, how can we solve this? Think, make it fast. Quick, 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 quick. Time up, guys. What is the answer? Prashant saying option B is correct. How, Prashant? Can you please tell me what is the approach you got? Prashant, what was your approach? Prashant, are you here or not? So sin x, can be written as what? Look at this here like this. I'm adding and subtracting alpha. Then sine of x minus alpha into dx. Okay. Yes. Now we have solved this type of question yesterday. So let me consider this as A. Let me consider this as B. So I can write that as sine A plus B formula. Sine A plus B formula is what? Now solve it. Done. Array, yeah, very simple. Sin A plus B. Look at it as sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Okay. Divided by sin of x minus alpha. Divided by sin of x minus alpha. So into dx. Into dx. Right? So now if I just look at this, splitting this by this by this, if I split like that, so what I'm going to get? Cos alpha, in fact integral here, cos alpha into dx plus integral cot x minus alpha into sin alpha dx. Correct? Okay. Yes. And integral cos alpha is what? Integral cos alpha is what? Okay, we'll write one thing. We'll do one thing here. Integral cos alpha cos alpha cos alpha. Guys, look at this here. Integral cos alpha. Cos alpha is a constant here with respect to x variable. So what we have to do? Cos alpha is a constant. So let us write outside. Integral of 1 into dx is what? X. Okay, people. Yes. So integral of cot x minus alpha is what? Log of sin x. X is x minus alpha here into sin alpha as it is into sin alpha as it is plus c. So what I'm going to write here? So this is what the result I got if I integrate that. Just compare on the right hand side. Right hand side is ax given B log of sin x minus alpha given ax. So a value is this one. Okay, 1 second, let us write this. Is equal to ax plus b of log of sin of x minus alpha plus c. Okay, so what is a here? Cos alpha. What is b here? Sin of alpha. Sin alpha. B sin alpha or not? After comparing, guys, look at it here. This sorry, this x will get cancelled. Yes, that's it. C you can just cancel still. What is that? Cos a value cos alpha, b value sin alpha I got. Now a comma b is asking for. Therefore, a comma b is equal to cos alpha comma sin alpha. Okay, children, any doubts? This is how we can solve this type of question. Next type of question we can go with. If y is equal to dx divided by 1 plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 and y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0, then the value of y when x is equal to 1 is dash. Option A 1 by root 2, option B root 2, option C 2 root 2, option D none. Quick. What is the answer, guys? It is a quite simple question actually. Make it fast. Go, okay, let's go with this. integral y is equal to integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square over to the power of 3 by 2, and y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Y is 0 when x is equal to 0. Then the value of y when x is equal to 1 is what? Okay, so basically what I do here, put x is equal to tan theta. That is the best way to solve this. Then differentiation this dx by secant square theta into d theta. Okay, guys, why? How did I get an idea here? X is equal to tan theta. How did I get an idea that I have to take x is equal to tan theta only? In integration, beta, whenever you have x square plus a square, something like this, you take x is equal to always tan theta, or x is equal to a cot theta. A tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta. X is equal to, you take this as what? X is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta, you can take like that. Okay, if at all you have x square minus a square, something like this, so you take x is equal to what? We'll take x is equal to what? X is equal to, I take it as a secant theta, or x is equal to a cosecant theta. A cosec theta. Next, a square minus x square is what? X is equal to a sin theta, or x is equal to a cos theta. So this is a note, everyone must remember this. This helps a lot. This helps a lot for solving the questions in easiest way. Okay, so dx is equal, I got this now. Now y is equal to what? Y is equal to secant square theta into d theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. Now look at this here, beta. This becomes what now? Y is equal to secant square theta whole divided 1 plus tan square theta is what? Secant square theta whole to the power of 3 by 2. Correct? Into d theta, in fact. So y is equal to what? Secant square theta divided by secant square theta divided by whole to the power of 3 by 2 given. So secant what? Secant cube theta, correct? This 2 will get cancelled, right? Secant cube theta you left with now. So into d theta. So here you can do what? Square will get cancelled. What you left with now? Integral of 1 by secant theta is what? Cos theta into d theta. Y is equal to integral cos theta d theta. So y is equal to what? Sin theta plus c. What he has given here, if y is equal to 0, then what is the value of c? If y is value 0, then c value is what? Then what is the value? 0 is equal to sin theta plus c. Correct? Isn't it? So this is what you just get here. But we took what? X is equal to tan theta we took. If x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, 0 into tan theta, then theta is what? Of course 0 only, right? Then only it will balance, right? Both sides, guys, if theta is equal to 0, then only the equation will be balancing. Okay? Or you take, look at it here, you write this as, or x is equal to tan theta given to you. If x is equal to 1, then what is theta value? Pi by 4. Theta value is what? Pi by 4 here. Why? Because if x is equal to 1, then theta value should be pi by 4 for balancing both sides. Okay? Yes. So what we got here, beta? Actually, we don't need this. We just need to find out theta value. So what is c value here? Theta value 0 I got, right? So y is equal to sin 0 plus c. So y value is 0 given to you. 0 is equal to c. So c is equal to 0 I got. C is equal to 0 I got. Okay. Y is equal to sin theta plus c. Now theta value how much I got? 5 by 4 here. So y is equal to
Sin theta is what? Pi by 4 plus 0. So y is equal to 1 by root 2. This is what your answer. This is what your answer, guys. What I did here, read the question properly. Y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? When x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? So here, when x is equal to 1, theta value is this much. I'm finding when x is equal to 1, y value is what? So with respect to theta, with respect to 1, theta value is pi by 4. So y value I got 1 by root 2. That is my final answer is going to be. Hope it is clear with you all. That with respect to x is equal to 0, theta value is 0. But I do not want that. Okay. I do not want that. I just took this theta value and substituted here and found the c value. Okay. Found the c value. Let us take this as my star equation. Okay. I just took c value, and from the star equation, what I'm paying here, from the star equation, I'm writing y is equal to sin theta plus c. Theta value, c value substituted, got y value. Hope it is clear. Next question. Integral pi tan x divided by tan x minus 2 dx. Okay, okay, 1 second. Is equal x a ln x a ln, oh, 1 second, guys. X a ln sin x minus 2 cos x plus k. Then what is the value of a? That is the question given to you. Option A -1, option B -2, option C 1, option D is 2. Okay, this is previous year IIT-JEE question. Quick, let's see who is going to give the first answer. Quick, 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 quick. What happened? Pick what is the answer. Arey yaar, very simple question here. How many have you done this? How many of you done, guys? Quick. What about Dhairya, Mohammed? See, beta, it's a very simple question given to you. Plus 5 tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. All divided by sin x by cos x minus 2. Okay. Into dx, in fact. So is equal to x. Sorry, x plus ln here. X plus a ln of sin x minus 2 cos x plus k. Okay. So now what we do here is integral 5 sin x dx divided by sin x minus 2 cos x. In both the denominators, cos x will get cancelled, so that I left with this. Okay, is equal to x plus a ln of sin x minus 2 cos x plus k. Correct? Yes. Guy, here you have to apply one trick basically. What is the trick? If I differentiate on both sides, beta, look at this here. Differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides. If I differentiate on both sides, what happens? We know that integral and d by dx, integral and differentiation both are anti to each other, so both will get cancelled. So integral and different, if I do this side differentiation, the integral will be getting cancelled. So what you left with now? 5 sin x dx divided by sin x minus 2 times of cos x. Pretty simple. Now d by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of x ln x is what? Sorry, a as it is, d by dx of ln x is what? 1 by x. Inner function, d by dx of sin x is cos x, and minus into minus plus. So plus 2 sin x divided by sin x minus 2 times of cos x plus 0. D by dx of constant is 0. So here 5 sin x dx divided by sin x minus 2 cos x is equal to sin x minus 2 cos x plus a cos x plus 2 sin x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x. This gaya cancel ho jayega. So what you left with, guys, now? Comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. I mean, comparing the cos x coefficients basically. Comparing the comparing the cos x coefficients. So what you're going to get, beta? Minus 2 cos x plus a cos x is equal to 0 यहाँ पे. Look at this. Are you getting my point here? 2 sin x, I have sin x, leave that. And I am talking about only cos x coefficients. Okay, here you have the something like this, but you don't have cos x on the left hand side. So I equated with the 0, correct? So cos x taking common here. So minus 2 plus a is equal to 0. So a value बराबर 2 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Quite simple, guys. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Any doubts here? Any doubt, guys? So guys, this type of question you can expect in a like integrals. I mean, this is indefinite integrals actually. So now we'll do one thing. I'll give one question from indefinite integration. Sorry, definite integration. I'll give a question. So far, what we have solved, we solved indefinite integration question. Now we'll talk about definite integration. Definite integration. In definite integration, beta, look at this here. Very, very good questions and such a wonderful questions we will be solving here. Okay. So first question, the first question I give here is 5 by 2 to here you will be having upper limit and lower limit. That's it. That is the only difference. Okay. And question is 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. Okay, solve this question. I'll give a hint, beta. You take this question as a homework. Take this question as a homework. And next question, what you can take here is 3 to 8. Lower limit is 3, upper limit is 8. Sine of square root of x plus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 dx. Next question is evaluate 0 to pi by 4 cos 2x into square root of 4 minus sine 2x dx. Please do solve all these questions and come to the next class. Tomorrow I'll be checking everyone's notebook. So everyone must respond whether you have solved or not. And you have to share your answers as well. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.